Welcome back. Start of the new year is a perfect time to take a closer look at your retirement accounts. Here with some advice is Yahoo Finance's Kerry Hannon. Kerry, tips for 2023, please enlighten us.
It's time for some housekeeping. Now, here's the time of year where we're starting to hear about, hey, maybe you're getting a bonus or perhaps a raise if you've had your annual review. These are two times that you can really look at that extra cash coming in and say, what can I do to fund my retirement accounts with this? Like with a bonus, consider taking some of that. Some of it, sure, you might want to have some fun with, but take some of that and put it aside in some retirement accounts. If you can put it in your IRA, if you don't already have an IRA set up at a Fidelity or Vanguard, go ahead and do that, or Schwab. You can even contribute to an IRA if you have an employer-provided plan. But it's a good idea to set some of that aside to fund your retirement. And right now with prices low, not a bad idea to consider doing that. The second thing is if you're going to get a tax refund at the beginning of the year, you don't know that yet. Once again, that same advice there. Really consider just socking that right away in a retirement fund. This is money that is sort of mad money in a sense. And so I think if we can, try to be practical and find a way to use that money to really build your future financial security. Now, here's the other bit. If you're getting a raise, this is the time, if you have an employer-provided retirement account, can you tweak the amount that you're setting aside, that percentage? You can set aside 10 to 15% of your salary into your employer-provided plan, roughly. Can you bump it up? Maybe you're only at 8%, maybe at 10. Can you go to 12? With that extra salary, it's really a great time to really evaluate how much you can set aside. And truthfully, if you're not up to your employer match, please do that with that raise, because that's really good use for the money.
Sure.
I also think, I think these are just times to do some of that housekeeping about where's that money going to go.
And as we head into the new year, a few key things to remember if you happen to have that time with your accountant to keep in mind. What do you want to tell them?
Oh, yeah, I love that. Yeah, can you sit down and really think about, first of all, this might even be with your financial planner. How can you rebalance your portfolio, your retirement account portfolio, so you're in the best position starting the year? And also, you want to talk to your accountant, particularly if you're self-employed. If you want to open a solo 401k account, you absolutely need to do that by December 31st.
Sage advice and timely as well. Got to leave it there. Kerry Hannon, always great to see you here.